Hi friends, once again I welcome you all at RBI Grade B. As you know that you are going to phase 2 of RBI Grade B exam very soon, and by keeping in mind we have started this multiple choice question series. As you know that you are going to face some paragraph based questions in your upcoming exam, and Yojana, Kurukshetra magazines are playing a very important role in these types of exam. So we have prepared some questions which is based upon Yojana, Kurukshetra and the government scheme from their ministries, websites and other sources. So let's start this series with this question. So this is the paragraph on which your question is based. Read the paragraph and answer the following question. The question is from 1 to 4. So this is a transformative approach for economic growth and sustainable development, and this approach is driven by 7 engines, namely road, railway, port, mass transport, waterways and logistic infrastructure. All 7 engines will put forward the economy in unison. The master plan takes a holistic approach to sector-specific development by integrating 16 ministries in a joint committee to implement and monitor with the investment of, and the Union Cabinet cleared the plan for multiple model connectivity to economic zone on 21st of October 2021, and it is a giant stride in India's ambitious goal of achieving 5 trillion economy. As you know that government is going to planning to achieve this 5 trillion economy. So this plan is helping to government to achieve this 5 trillion economy. And in telecommunication sector, they are planning a total length of 35 lakh kilometer of optical fiber cable network, and it is laid down by this year, connecting in all 2,50,000 gram panchayat with high-speed internet and 4G mobile connectivity 2022. In this new and renewable energy sector capacity is to be increased from 87.7 gigawatt to this much by 2024-25. Around 50% of the India's power generation capacity is to be met by renewable energy source 2024-25. So you have read this paragraph. Now it is time to solve question which is based upon this paragraph. So first question for today, you have to identify the scheme in the above paragraph. In this paragraph, this paragraph is pointing towards which scheme? Your options are NMP, PM Gati Shakti, Atmanirbhar Bharat or National Logistic Plan. So friends, its answer first of all will be B. Actually, if you have heard about this scheme, that these 7 engines and these 16 ministries and investment, these all are related to this PM Gati Shakti plan, and it is very important, and it was discussed in our economic survey and budget as well. So first, this scheme is PM Gati Shakti Yojana. Now, the second question, how much amount government is planning to invest in this master plan? So your options are 1 lakh, 1,11,000 crore, 100 lakh crore, 150 lakh crore or 220 crore. This is 111 lakh crore, right? Now, so answer of this question is B, because government is planning to invest 100 lakh crore in this PM Gati Shakti Yojana and plan. Answer is 100 lakh crore. Now the third question which is based upon this is, government is planning to a total length of 35 lakh kilometer of optical fiber cable network is to be laid down by which year? 2025-26, 24-25, 23-24 or 29-30. If you have learned about this PM Gati Shakti plan, then you are able to solve this question is very easily. So first of all, answer of this question 3 will be 2025, 4 and 25. So government is planning to lay down this 35 lakh kilometer of optical fiber by this 2024 and 25. Now the last question from this paragraph is, under this plan, new and renewable energy sector capacity is to be increased from this 87.7 gigawatt to how much by this 2024-25? Your options are 225, 250, 280 and 300. Right. So answer is A. Government is planning to add 2 to 5 gigawatt by 2024 and 25 under this PM Gati Shakti plan. Right. Now this is the second paragraph, and you will find two questions, that is question number 5 and 6 from this paragraph. In the recently announced Union Budget 2022, funds allocation has been increased to scale up these missions towards public health and well-being of people living in rural areas. The fund allocation of JJM, that is Jal Jeevan Mission, has been increased from 4,500 crore in 2021-22 to how much amount for this 2022-23? This question you can say from directly related to budget or economic survey, but this paragraph is taken from the Yojana, right? And for this Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, this much amount have been allocated in budget for the year 2022 and 23, and this is by Ministry of Jal Shakti, because you know that this Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin is implemented by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. So question is, in recent budget fund allocation for JJM is how much? This is C, that is 60,000 crore. So they have increased it from 45,000 crore to 60,000 crore in the budget. And for Swachh Bharat Mission, they have allocated, Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, they have allocated how much amount? They have allocated 7,192 crore. Answer for this question is B. Right. So these are two questions which is based upon this paragraph, and these all are related to the fund allocation of the various scheme of Ministry of Jal Shakti. Now there you can find some individual questions which is not based upon the paragraph. Just like this, which of the following scheme is an initiative to provide guidance from renowned prominent persons in their field to select talented students? I think by reading this statement you are able to get the idea of the scheme. So your options are Aspire, Dhruv, Stars and NILP. So friends, this answer will be B, that is Dhruv. And this scheme is known as the Pradhan Mantri Innovative Learning Program. Dhruv has been started by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, the then ministry. Now this ministry has been changed, and the government of India had to identify and encourage the talented children to enrich their skills and knowledge, and in center of excellence across the country, gifted children will be mentored and nurtured by the renowned expert in different areas, so they can be reach their full potential. So this scheme is related to Dhruv. In this scheme, they are providing guidance for renowned prominent persons in their field to select talented students, and they will boost the knowledge of these talented students. Now, which of the following state has first achieved the target of 100% of coverage under Jal Jeevan Mission? Very important question. Your options are Haryana, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. So answer is B. The Goa is the first state which has achieved 100% coverage under this Jal Jeevan Mission. So this is a chart which I have taken from this Yojana. Under this, in 2020, Goa have achieved this target, and 2021, Telangana, Daman and Diu, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar, Haryana, they have achieved, and 2022, they are going to, these states are going to achieve this target. And what about the other state, just like Uttar Pradesh is trying to achieve this target by 2024, because They are more population and this state is very large. And if you are providing the tap water to crores of people, just like the big states like Uttar Pradesh, but it will take time. So these states are going to achieve this target by 2024. Now the ninth question: which of the following infrastructure scheme has the highest budgetary allocation under this 2022-23? So these are the scheme: Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, Jal Jeevan Mission, and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and Amrit. So you have to identify which scheme has allocated highest budgetary allocation. And first of all, this scheme is related to the infrastructure sector. So you have to identify which scheme is has highest budgetary allocation in 2022 and 23 budget. So first of all, his answer will be B, that is Jal Jeevan Mission. And these are some schemes which I have taken from Yojana. Just like Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, they are providing 19,000, Awas Yojana 48,000, and Jal Jeevan Mission 60,000, and this Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission 4176.84 crore and 14,100 for this urban regeneration, that is Amrit. So they are totally 1,45,276 crore is allocated for this infrastructure sector under this budget 2022 and 23. Right. Now the last question for today: which of the following institution will provide a technical support under the National Talent Mental Health Program? I think you have all heard about this program. So you have to identify the technical support is given by which of the following institutions. So your options are IIT Bombay, IISc International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore, or AIMS. So answer will be C. This National Tele Health Mission program is being planned with the network of 23 Mental Health Center of Excellence. National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience would be nodal center, that is NIMHANS will be the nodal center, and International Institute of Information Technology Bangalore will provide the technical support. So friends, this was all questions from paragraph based questions which I have taken from Yojana and other magazines. And these are our star performers which have played very well, and they have scored rank and selected in RBI Grade B 2020 exam. And we are providing SEBIGRADEA course and RBI Grade course. We are providing SEBIGRADEA course at ₹2499 and combo course at ₹3499. So if you want to purchase our test series, you can also visit our website, that is www.crackgradeb.com, for purchasing relevant material for upcoming RBI Phase 2 exam. And these are the points and topics which we are covering under RBI Grade B 2022 course. And thank you and happy learning. पढ़ते रहिए, मेहनत करते रहिए.